Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today is me and Josh doing Mining to Glory once again. As you saw, I don't even think we got it on camera, I can't remember honestly, but me and Josh had just done some off-camera grinding, I'm pretty sure. And we went to a cave, mined for a good hour. Then straight after, as we're going back into the city, because we have like 5k of goods on us, someone sniped Josh and he died in one hit.
I was a human shield friend, even though I had a diamond and an emerald.
Exactly, it's just dreadful. Anyway, for this episode, we're going to be taking over Fort Henry. If I'm not laggy, game, please allow it.
And I am also going to jump off this.
Yeah, I did it. Welsh Mountain! Where you at, bro? There you are, bro. Get your own ride, bro.
What? I'm fast a horse.
Yeah, but I'm still going to beat you there. Whoa, there's a guy! Be so careful, there's a guy.
Hey, yeah.
Wait, do you have dynamite on you?
Yeah.
Yeah, same. How many have you got on you?
3.
I've got 2.
You use yours then.
No, you use yours, because I need...
I don't have mine equipped.
Yeah, neither. How about you go first, I'll go second, then I'll... Well, we'll just take turns throwing it.
Are you talking about beating me?
I was just looking at my inventory.
You talking about beating me up?
Okay, right, get your dynamite out, I'll go first.
Oh wait, I'll get my dynamite. I just need to...
You know what, I'll be nice. There you go. That's my second one. Is that going to blow open, or is that... Nah, one more. Go on.
Come on now.
This guy thinks he's so funny. Capybaras are so overrated, mate. They're not... Well, Fort Henry belongs to us.
I'm going to go chop some wood.
Yeah, that would make sense. Please do.
First tree cut down. Only one log?
Go break some more trees, fam.
Hey, how about you break some trees as well, huh?
I don't have an axe, fam.
Go to the general store and buy one.
Well, if we're losing Fort Henry, it'll be your fault. Anyway, I'll go buy one. Lantern's kind of useless when you have all your permanent use items in your inventory.
I don't even have my lantern equipped.
I don't have any room for it. Once I buy an axe, I won't have room for it. I don't know why, but this episode I've just been so laggy.
I'm going to put all my wood in a chest in my bank. Because why not? Oh yeah, I still got my meat in my bank. I still got meat in my bank. Remember that bison meat that I sucked on?
Oh yeah, that guy. You trod on his face.
I sucked on some bison meat.
Well, I might as well get ready to just get that up. Ow! I'm just going to deliberately crash my horse because I feel like it.
Who wants a fire? Who wants a fist fight?
Yo, mama.
That's not very nice.
Nah, I'm actually sick and tired of this horse. I don't like him. You know what? For this, you stinky horse, I'm unequipping you.
someone stole my food. Someone's in the bank, you know? Then someone stole my food.
What?
I said someone stole my food.
What?
No,
Axes.
it's not my food. What's going on? Halfway there to get 10.
I'm just gonna buy a tier 2 axe, cause like I'm a
I'm
baddie.
halfway there to get into 10 logs.
Whoa! I nearly sold my tier 2 axe.
I mean, I would buy one, but I'm kind of saving up for 5,000 for another horse.
I'm on 2.4k at the moment. How much are you on?
4,619.
Nice.
I'm almost there at 5,000 to get my horse.
My horses get disowned. What can I buy for 2.8k?
Chop all the trees down that I can with a tier 1 pickaxe. No, a tier 1 axe.
What one did you buy? What horse? Did you buy the Lusitano?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, you did. Stop the cap.
I don't know. Wait, I'll check. Yeah, it was the Lusitano.
I'm so laggy. It looks like my game's in slow motion.
I can't feel my foot.
That's good.
I know.
Way! I've just done an aerial. Right. All the tabs I have open right now are getting closed.
I'm gonna see if I can buy anything here.
Match pitch. That.
Ow!
Guys, I just want to give a massive shout out. Like, this is not a sponsor, it's just a shout out. Like, I'm going to shout out Screencast-O-Matic because it's just so easy to use their services, you know. Have you repaired the gate, by the way, Josh?
No. I'm looking to see if I can buy an axe.
Not from there.
Oh god damn it. I need a tier 2. Wait, the trees are run back. So go back to chopping.
Oh, I probably can, like, one-hit them or something.
No, it takes like 5 hits to...
I don't have a tier 1 axe, I have a tier 2 axe.
I know, there's a tier 1 tree, it takes like 5 hits.
By the way, you might get Thunderstruck trees. If you cut them down, then you get a Thunderstruck log and you can sell it for like 2k. So if anyone ever says to you, give me a T-log, then you're done for. Like, if someone kills you, they have you on the floor about to prison you, and they say, give me a T-log, if you don't have a Thunderstruck tree or log, you're dead. Anyway, I've got my fresh axe. Looks...
I don't think we need it anymore.
Why have you got 10?
I'm pretty sure.
I'm hitting a tree anyways. Damn, it's actually very good. It's really good. What? I got 3 logs, grills.
I need 1 log.
To cut that, I need. You need how much?
Can you give me a log?
How many?
1.
Is that it?
Singular.
Okay, sure. There. It's in the footwell.
I only needed 1.
What? I dropped you one. Oh.
Drop 3.
Oh, okay. Oh, now you need a building tool.
God damn it.
You can buy one from here, but it's a little bit more expensive.
I'll be at 100. There you go.
I mean, just build the gate.
Wrong thing. Quit. Where is my building toilet? There.
Where does it even go on your body? Oh, it just appeared. If you don't shut the hell up right now, you are going to die.
What the? What hell is it? A wooden gate is needed. A wooden gate to keep intruders out.
Oh, you need to trim them down. Come over here.
God damn it, man!
It's free. It's on this thing where you split your balls at the end of an episode.
I don't want to mention that.
It was very funny, I will admit that.
Oh, I have 10. Right.
What happens if I bicycle kick the sawwood thing? Let me have a look, bro. Ow! What are you saying, bro? You fixed it! You're insane! Psych! Now you're gonna die. Wait, look how cold this is gonna look. Wait, you aim at me, I aim at you. No, with a pistol. This looks so cold. Wait, no, for an edit, I'll get the clip later, but just walk past me, bump shoulders, and then aim at each other, like, after looking back. And then just hold that position. Okay, that's fine. Thank you. So, oh, thank God the bloody recording paused. That would have been very weird to get on camera. Okay, guys. Yeah. Wait. Guys, sorry this is... Well, it's not really a short one, but I'm lagging and I have my dinner, so me and Josh are just going to do some off-camera grinding, and then we'll be back with you tonight. Hope you enjoyed this episode, everyone, and have a good day. Peace.